Hey guys and gals, this is one of my besties. This is Anna Bubana. And Anna was doing like a balayage for a really long time, and she finally decided that she wanted to go back to being a redhead. And I was like, holla friggin' Luya. So I'm going in with the black light. They're the Lift and Tone Power Shades. And I'm going in and I'm foiling in the red because I want a dimensional red. I just didn't want to do some basic redhead stuff. I wanted some pops of color in there. And this stuff lifts through tint and lifts natural bases. So I'm going with the deep weave and I am not over foiling. You can also see her money piece up front. I did like 3 foils and then I did 2 on her sides just to make that money piece pop. Now on her base, I am applying Calura 6 RRV and 20 volume. And then I am pulling through in between the foils. We're going to go and we're going to do her base with 20 with the 6 RRV at Calura. And then I'm going to go with 30 volume 6 RRV right here because we need to lift it because we don't have the warmth from her body lifting that. So I want an even color. So again, deep weaving, just applying that P55 power shades, applying this to the base, the 20 volume to lift her, and then going in with the 30 on the ends. I'm not over foiling. I want big, huge dimension. Her hair's kind of one length, so I don't need to go crazy foiling. Don't over foil, guys, unless you're doing like baby lights. There's no reason to over foil. I seriously am talking myself out of over foiling. Remember my mantra, do not over foil. Do not over foil. So again, just applying the base. This whole process took me with Olaplex just under 2 hours. So just going ahead and applying the rest of the color to underneath her hair where nobody's going to see because her hair is one length. So no point in foiling that out. So just applying the color. We're going to let this process for 35 minutes. We're going to stop oxidation with Malibu C Deox. And then we're going to give her Olaplex treatment for 10 minutes with Olaplex number 2. And then we styled with the Babyless Iron. And look at that poppin' money piece, that rich, shadowy colored, the dimensional redhead. I am in love. I'm so happy my friend is a redhead again, a full-on redhead. She looks absolutely radiant and stunning. And Anna's like the best redhead next to me. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.